How to turn on reminder emails notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on reminder emails notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now just click here on your profile and then click the story lines in top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then click email notifications, and as you see here you can manage reminder emails and you can turn it on just by clicking this one here and then just go back. It will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.